All right, so just a quick look at this fascia blade. You can see that it's got a nice rubberized grip to it, and I love the curvature in the middle. I feel like this does such a good job of fitting pretty much anywhere around your body. You can use this on your thighs. You can use it somewhere more narrow like your forearms, and I love the fact that the top part right here is relatively sharp, because sometimes I really want to dig deep into between muscles, so using this sharper point is great. Now this is going to have EMS, it's going to have heat, and it's going to have vibration, and you can actually go through all the modes up here at the top. You can see that each one of those is going to change the mode, and then if you hit the power button, it's going to change the intensity between 3 different levels. There's an app that comes with this too, so if you wanted to control everything utilizing the app, maybe you're more visual, or maybe you just want to utilize it on your phone, then you can easily do that. It's going to come with this charger. You can use pretty much any USB Type-C. I just use my iPhone charger because we have so many of these cables laying around the house. And it's also going to come with this aloe vera soothing cream. And the reason you're going to want to use this is because a lot of times when you're doing something like, let's say you're working on your forearms, they can get really red and irritated if you're pushing down pretty hard with this. And I would say most of the time I am. You really want to utilize this as a healing tool. So you're going to be pushing down pretty hard. So you're going to want to use some type of cream or ointment, and it's nice that they actually give it to you. So if you're looking to try out a fascia blade, something that has a lot of features and just works really great, has a great curve to it, then I would highly recommend picking this one up and trying it out.